So we can start from the right side, and we can see that it curves outside a bit. So keeping that in mind, we can start from the right side, taking that vertical right from there, Shift D, just copy it, then just P, then press on selection to make it a separate object. And we're gonna name it front bumper. Or we can do it like that. Let's get that from there to there, that entire edge line. Shift D, then just move it a little bit in that manner. Okay, before doing the PS, we're gonna just remove the extra vertices from there. Same in that place and same in there. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the entire loop. Let's extrude this, those four vertices right there, and we're just gonna push it inside a bit. Just click on that and control click on that. Make sure that is active element, then SX, SY, and just move it inside. Keep sure in mind that we have to make the curve that we can see over on the reference pictures. So just double G them and then just align them. Over in the front section, we have to fix it. Just SX them and just squeeze it in that process. Let's put one edge loop down right in the middle and then just SX them and just push it outwards, stretch it outwards, and SC and just push it down. Just some minor adjustments. Displace it from the y-axis, so yeah, it looks good from both the sides, front and the side. Now that's the part where there will be a slight bulge and a strong curve. Now after we're done with the bulge, we're just gonna fix that corner right out there. Taking the entire edge loop, now we're just going to extrude it down the Z axis. Then press S and 0 to make the entire vertical line up on the same path level. Now what we have to do is we have to get like two edge loops right in the middle. Just squeeze them inside over in the y-axis, same with the second one. Now let's go to the front one. Seems okay, but still we have to squeeze just a little bit inside. Like that is X. Same over on the second one. Keep in mind that the entire process been done with extrusion where we need it, and just S paired with X or Y or Z according to your needs. We're just having some minor adjustments over here and there. It looks good. We have a rough outline of the front bumper side. Okay, so we haven't separated the front bumper. So we just click on one vertex over on the object, then press L to get the entire object, and then just press F and S to make it a separate object. And then just rename it to front bumper, and just get the right side edge loop, an entire edge loop, and then just extrude it over on the Y axis, and keeping the active element over on the top, just S, and then just rotate it with R. Let's G, X, and just push it outside. Now we have to make the line seamless with the hood line, with the hood fender line. Some minor tweaks. Let's get the entire outside line of the arch, and this is SX that, and just gradually push it outside. Since since it's a curve even from the front side, so we can't just push out the entire edge loop out on the right side. Now to fix the arch, the fender wheel arch, since it's a little bit too much outside and it's not perfectly aligned as an arch. So we just make it straight. That seems right for now. Just manually fix it here and there if you find any disalignment.